Now we have reached to the final unit of our subject, which is unit 10, AI software tools for business. In this unit, we will be discussing about the various software tools then you can utilize for your business according to your requirement. So, the basic tools we can say that we are going to discuss in this unit are going to be, first of all, we will be talking about SAS Business Analytics, then Kulik View, then Board, Splunk, Sisense, MicroStrategy, Key9, Dundas BI, TIBCO Spotfire, Tableau Big Data Analytics, SAP Business Object, and Looker. So these are few tools which can be utilized for the purpose of business intelligence in your organization so that you can perform the data analytics for your company in a well formatted way. So let us begin with this unit, which is AI software tools for business. AI and machine learning, they have revolutionized and will continue to revolutionize the businesses for many years to come. From marketing to operations to sales, implementing AI into the business environment, it cuts down on time which is spent on the repetitive task. It improves the employees' productivity and enhances the overall customer experience. It also helps avoid the mistake and detect the potential crisis. So that is why we are using this AI into our business environment, because we have seen in the previous units that how these software solution they help us to do the day-to-day business operation, to analyze the data. They help us in taking better decisions for the company. They help us in making strategies for the company. And definitely they reduce on the time we spend on doing the repetitive task. They improve the employee productivity and therefore it improves the overall customer experience. So this is the reason behind using the software tools, AI software tools for the business. Not only is AI helping people become more efficient, it is also revolutionizing the way we do the business. In fact, 86% of the CEO they note that AI is a mainstay in their offices, and it's not in the form of robots or complex machinery, but instead the software to run their day-to-day operations. Today in every organization we are using these software solutions. We are utilizing these software solutions for the purpose of enhancing the functionalities of our day-to-day operations, from predicting the customer behavior to reducing the manual data entry. AI in business, it is becoming indispensable in ways never seen. Since today we have seen that how important it has become to analyze the behavior of the customer, how important it has become to understand his choices, customers' preferences. So how will this analysis be done? As a customer, if you click on any link on any website, you talk to any customer care, you surf the internet or some particular website, so all this will serve as a data for these software tools, and then analyzing your clicks, analyzing your data, they will understand your choices and your preferences, and then they will start recommending you with the product of your choices. So AI is not helping just in performing the day-to-day business operation like the data entries or a simple operation in the company. It is helping us in analyzing the behavior of the customer also, and we are utilizing AI not only in the form of robotics or complex machinery. We are using nowadays various software tools in almost all departments of our organization, whether it is sales, it is operation, it is finance or HR or any department. We are utilizing these AI software tools. Coming to the discussion of these software tools. Here in this unit, we will be discussing few of the important software tools that are nowadays being used in various organizations. The first one and the important one out of them is the SAS Business Analytics. SAS, which is called the Statistical Analysis System. It introduced the SAS Business Intelligence and the analytics solution for helping the large enterprises explore their large data set in a visually appealing format. So basically SAS we are using for doing the statistical analysis of our data. It is a data analytics tool that is used increasingly in data science, in machine learning and the business intelligence application. Not only it equips organization with all necessary tools to monitor the key business intelligence metrics, but it also produces powerful analytics and comprehensive reports for their decision makers to take some well informed decisions. So basically, since we have enormous data nowadays, if all of us we are providing or we are serving for the data to for any organization by simply surfing the internet. So this data has to be analyzed in a proper format so that some conclusions can be derived out of that data. So basically when we talk about SAS, it is a data analytics tools that is nowadays being used in data science, machine learning and the business intelligence applications. Now, some of the important features of SAS business BI and the analytics are, first of all, it will provide us with the visual data exploration. See, visualizing your data, this is very important. If you have been given in an Excel sheet a lot of data, lot of figures, so it will become difficult for you to understand all these figures and reach to certain conclusions. What if the same thing is being shown to you in the form of certain graphs? So you will understand that if the graph is moving up, that means we are increasing on into our sales. If it is moving down in certain month, so we will analyze that this month the profit of the organization for that product it is depreciated. So anyway, visual data explorations, it helps us a lot in the analysis of data. So this SAS definitely it will provide you with the visual data exploration. Secondly, creating the insightful and easy analytics. It will provide you with such features which will allow you to create the insightful and the easy analytics which can be used by any kind of user in the organization. Thirdly, it provides you with interactive dashboards and self-service ad hoc reporting. Interactive dashboard means dashboard is a table or format, we can say a board where we can display our visual data. So this tool SAS, it provide you with that interactive dashboard in which you can put the visualization for your data. And the self-service ad hoc reporting, any user of the organization of any department can uh, ask for certain queries and in return will get the reports for it. So it will provide you the self-service ad hoc reporting. Self-service, why we are saying? Because there is no assistance of any technical team would be required for that user. Any kind of user, whether he is from the technical background or non-technical background, he can utilize this particular tool for generating the ad hoc reports for his data. Fourthly, mobile BI companion app, BI on the go. That means this BI tool you can even utilize on your mobile application also. That means when you're traveling, when you're moving from one place to another, you obviously cannot carry your desktop or laptop along with you. So what you can do, you can always take out the results or the outputs or the data analysis using your mobile BI. So that is why this is another thing that is advantageous for you. Another point for its usage is easy integration into the MS Office tools like the Excel, like the Outlook. Obviously, in our day-to-day lives, for the analysis of data, we are utilizing these kinds of tools. Why are we utilizing these tools? Because they can be easily integrated with our Excel, with our Outlook, whatever data we have into our spreadsheets in the Excel. It can be taken up with this particular tool and it can be integrated together. So we can retrieve the data from our Excel file, from the Outlook, and that data retrieval, when we do for this SAS BI, it will help us in a better way analyzing our data. SAS Mobile BI, it helps the business managers and the executives access the dashboard and the reports from remote locations even while traveling. So that is another very important advantage of using this SAS tool, because SAS Mobile BI that we have just talked about, that this provides such an application for us. So this will help the business managers and the executives of the company to access the dashboards and the reports from any remote location, even when they are traveling from one place to another. Thus, it is always possible to be in touch with important business insight with the help of SAS Mobile BI. So, these are few of the features of SAS BI. Now, talking about another software tool which can be utilized in the field of BI is Qlik View. Qlik View, it is a business intelligence tool that is used to convert the raw data into knowledge. That means we want to convert whatever data we have utilized, we want to use it for getting certain conclusions, for helping us provide certain knowledge from it. So BI is that kind of, Qlik is that kind of a tool. It is excellent for visually analyzing the relationship between the data. So whenever you have certain data and you want to analyze the relationship between the data, you can definitely opt for this Qlik View tool. This software, it acts like a human brain that works on association, and it can go in any direction to search for the answers. So basically it works on the association. Whatever data it gets, it will start forming certain patterns for associating that data. So using these kinds of techniques, it is actually acting like the brain of a human. Some of the major reasons for using Qlik View are: first of all, Qlik is very intuitive and easy to use platform. Since it provides us a good user interface, it is very easy to use. Any kind of user can very well utilize this Qlik View for converting the data into the knowledge and reaching out for certain conclusions. It allows searching across all data directly and indirectly. Thirdly, it offers data visualization in an innovative and meaningful manner. Qlik, it provides support for dynamic application, for dashboards, analysis, etc. Qlik, it helps you to identify the trends and the information to make the most innovative decisions. It facilitates the fast integration of data from various sources into a single application. It also allows you to access, analyze, and retrieve the data from the mobile devices. It provides a quick return on investment because of a short implementation period. It has faster development and change management. So, these are the reasons why a person should opt for this Qlik software business intelligence tool. Since we have seen the advantages of using this, that it can be used using the mobile devices. It can provide you with a quick return on investment for a short implementation period. We have like a data stored into various data places, whether there are certain databases, certain files, certain spreadsheets, or different sources. Even our social media, they can serve as certain sources. Our CRM model, ERP model, they can serve as our sources. So basically it can integrate the data from all kind of sources. They have this facility that they can gather their data from any kind of resource, any kind of source, and then finally integrate it into a proper format, analyze that data, identify the various trends, and reduce certain information to carry out certain decisions from that data. It also provides you support for dynamic applications dashboards. That means whenever you want to visualize your data in a proper format, you can definitely use QLIC for that reason. So that these are few of the reasons why one should opt for this QLIC business intelligence tool.